You're going south on Little Neck Parkway and Union Turnpike. Drive slowly or you will be unpleasantly surprised. There's a new traffic speed camera. So I can't say putting up the speed cameras are wrong, but you should know about it so you don't drive anything too much over 25 miles an hour. So I stood near the speed camera and I noticed that the flashlight flashes at least once every 2 minutes. So that would means 30 tickets an hour. And if it is operational 10 hours a day, I believe it is actually operational 24 hours a day. So even at 10 hours a day, it will give out 300 tickets. And at $50 each, you're taking $15,000 a day. 15,000. In 30 days, it would be $450,000. And in 12 months, you have generated $5.4 million in direct taxation to the city. I guess after you get your first ticket, you won't get another one so soon. Actually, 80% of those who got a ticket will slow down and not get a second ticket right away. So it will have some effect on safety. Like I said, I don't think this is wrong because a couple of my neighbors were killed over the years on the street. But maybe some notice should be given to the general public that not only in school zone areas, but in all areas over the city, these speed cameras are giving out tickets. My neighbor actually said, if you're 31 miles in a 25-mile zone, you'll get a ticket. So I think that happens in some cases. And you just have to be careful now that the laws are in effect. All right, take care and drive safely.